I wanna see you whine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She tell me I'm with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
Hi everyone, I'm in a very beautiful place. It's outskirts of Alipurdwar side and it's near to Bhutan and a very beautiful tea garden. You can see all the vlogs and cuts here and look around me. Beautiful one. Only green and green around. I'm enjoying my days and seriously after a long time I came from school and home from awesome. Such a cloudy weather and I'm chilling out here. Seriously, darun lagche darun. The mind ta alada hoye geche. Peace, silence and far away from outskirts of the town and the hectic life. Awesome, just awesome. Hi, actually I'm in a very old British bungalow. It's all broken, see, deserted and lonely and haunted mainly things. So I tried, it is haunted maybe, I don't know. But seriously a long time ago British building and above wood they have plastered with, see, they have plastered with all this, what they used to use, don't know. So I'm walking around the room. It's very old, I'm first floor at the first floor and very risky to walk. It's dangerous, it's broken. I don't know, I may fall down by breaking a plank or what, I really don't know. But I'm enjoying a lot, very much, seriously. Hey, hi. So it's afternoon time and I'm sitting between the logs. You can see, look behind me. I'm between the logs and logs. No one is around. Feeling chill and cool. The weather is very pleasant. It's a little bit sunny right now and seriously. And we had a good lunch today. All of them we cooked together and we ate and seriously we had a lot of fun. So I went around here and there at this place, the tea gardens and locals. I went to some of the houses to see all these means. And the special thing is that today is that this bungalow which I show, the British bungalow, is really a haunted type of thing and I really liked it. The places, the corridors and all the balconies, means old arches around it. Seriously, it brings some old memories. Means it feels like how was this place and when nothing was around, no locality was around, only this place and only these greens and just jungles and how to feel and all the British house to live and all together here. Friends, right now in Boxer Resort. It's in the forest. Oh my god, it's awesome. The silence, the night is it's a beautiful resort and we're staying here means it's awesome, just awesome. Means the darkness, the feeling of the tiger means all are means giving a immense pleasure and type of means eagerness at the night. Just we came after a lot of enjoyment the whole day, and we are just now we'll go to rest, and we'll staying at night here. We're just enjoying, and we're just really enjoying. We enjoyed the whole day, and now we have many plans to do at night. So it's very silence, and the silence is giving us a lot of means eagerness, of pleasure, right, of many things. So now the whole night we'll feel the silence, and we'll feel the feeling of tigers here. So this place is famous for tigers. So lot of plans to do at night. So now we'll take rest and we'll freshen up and just enjoy a night. Okay, bye bye. So friends, right now I'm in fishery hatchery unit, and here as you can see behind me a lot of fish being hatched, in many all the seedlings are being hatched here and they've been sold, and you can see variety of species of fishes here. So this place is right in a village village area, and we have came along and we have searched for this, and we came, and seriously you can see all water and ponds around, and the motor pump is behind me. See here what is pumped directly to a hatchery, and their water is being again released, and they have been cleaned, and they are being again hatched. So let's show like a small tour. I'm showing you the hatchery wedge. So I'm middle of the fishery unit. It's feeling really wonderful being in the middle of this hatching unit. See, all the variety of fishes are behind me. They're running away and seeing me running away very much. I think they are very shy of me, as I'm also a fishery specialist. But I really have forgot all the things, but mainly practical things I've really forgotten. But here you can learn about many things after coming here. The day was awesome, and seriously just chilled my day before lockdown, and just have to stay safe as I'm not wearing masks, but because nothing is there. So what I'm using masks, every time using masks, but for this vlog only I'm just opening my mask. But everyone be safe, as we have to wear masks because lockdown is also starting. And what to do, let the pandemic get over, and I'll try new places to go